I am back with another stream, guys. So we just started the countdown. I am here now with you for the next 6 hours, taking you all the way through until 11 p.m, guys. We're going to have music, going to have chat, and you're going to watch me work effectively. I'm going to basically run through some accounts for the next hour or two, getting everything up to date, import some of the last remaining orders now for the end of the day, stuff that's come in the last few hours. And then I'm going to print those out, and then I'm going to crack on in the office here with some orders. You're going to see me printing, packing and shipping orders in real time, guys. There's going to be live chat throughout. There's going to be music as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm going to be talking everything e-commerce, everything Shopify, drop shipping, print on demand, FBA, all those good things, guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to join in. I'll answer your chats throughout this 6 hour stream, guys. Right, should be a good one. We've been doing this now for a little while, and hopefully you like this sort of stuff. If you do, give the stream a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel as well, guys. Right, without further ado, it is time for me to get cracking on. Like I said, got a couple of hours of work to do now in front of me before I actually get into actually doing some orders. Right then, guys, hopefully some of you can join, and I'll speak to you guys soon. First thing I'm going to do actually is as always, I'm going to pull up the YouTube chat on my phone, just so I can monitor the chat, because obviously I'm going to turn this off here and I won't be able to see this. So let me just pull up YouTube on my phone, just so I can monitor the chat, guys. So if you are here, guys, just give me a hi in the chat. Let me know that you're in. Cool. Right, I've got the YouTube thing up here, look. Just going to click on it, turn it down, just don't interfere. Right then, guys, if you've got any questions, I'll be able to see them come through on the phone. I'll just pop that there. Cool, right, it is now time for me to get cracking on. Got a lot of work to do, guys. Going to be taking you all the way through to 11 p.m. Like I said, any questions, guys, more than happy to answer throughout. This is a live work from home studio. We do this every single night, basically Monday to Thursday for 6 hours. On a Friday, we do a shorter one, usually from 4 p.m. till 6 p.m. so I can have my Friday evenings to myself. But yeah, Monday to Thursday, guys, if you want to join us, you're more than welcome to. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you can join these streams anytime you want. You don't have to stay throughout, but yeah, if you're hopping in, just give the thumbs up and subscribe as well if you want to be notified whenever we go live, guys. Right, cool. That's enough from me. It is time for me to now crack on. Hope you like the music as well, guys. It is copyright free, by the way, so I am allowed to play it throughout. So if you just joined, guys, let me know where you're joining me from. Let me know where you're based. Always good to know where you're from. Like I said, if you do have any questions, I will be answering all the way through tonight's stream, guys, as I always do. These streams do run pretty long. This one's going to be running for 6 hours. We finish up 11 p.m. tonight now. A lot of orders to get through, guys. We're going to be here for a while. I'm just going to pull this over to my middle screen because this is the screen I like to use the most. For those of you new here, by the way, those of you who don't know, we run an e-commerce business, basically Shopify. Drop shipping. We are a drop shipping supplier based in the UK. We have a catalogue of more than 3,000 products. But anyone can start selling right now. You can connect to our live catalogue completely free of charge. There is a guide over on the website that you can go and follow step by step. Shows you how to connect to our live catalogue, get all of our products into your store completely free with live catalogue sync and auto order fulfillment as well. Meaning basically your orders will come straight over to us for fulfillment. You can set that up with the Shopify Collective app, and it is totally free, guys. There is a tools and resources page on our website, which is this over here on this screen. That is your right hand side, I think. If you go here, guys, there is a how to connect your Shopify store to our catalog, and there's a step-by-step guide. I personally recommend method 2, guys. This is completely free. This is probably the best one now I would use, is actually using the Shopify Collective app. If you want to connect to our catalog, you can do that. You can connect your Shopify store to our catalog. Like I said, we've more than 3,000 products. So if you want to get all of our products into your store, that is the way you do it. And like I said, it is completely free with Shopify Collective. It's just basically an app you install from the Shopify App Store. I've got maybe an hour or 2 of work to do here on the computer in front of me. And after that, I'll be cracking on with some real orders. Basically, I'll be printing, packing and shipping orders in real time. As you can see, there's a work from home office here. Got lots of printing equipment in the background. Just got some admin work to do at the moment, so I'm going to be cracking on with this for the next hour or 2. Hey buddy, hey Gareth, thanks for joining, buddy. Thanks for joining. Yeah, the mic sounds great. Cheers. Yeah, I don't know what it was. I think maybe that update I did for you the other day, buddy, was because there wasn't any music in the background when I done that update. That could be why. So I'm not sure if I have fixed that buzz on the mic. But yeah, Journey, when I watch the live streams back, which yeah, I do sometimes, watch my own live streams back. Not the full thing, but you know. Yeah, I can't hear the buzz on these live streams, but I did hear the buzz in the video that I recorded for you the other day when I did that update. You working right now, buddy, or you or what? Have you finished for the day? Hey Hamza, welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. Good to see you guys commenting, like it. Where you from, buddy? Where you from? What was that? Love the update. Yeah, some pretty cool new features, right? All that new stuff we just added on. Yeah, you're done for the day, you? Well, I got another 6 hours to go, buddy. It's alright, I don't expect you to hang around for 6 hours. Are you from Pakistan, are you, buddy? Cool. Yeah, we're based in the UK. We're like a dropshipping supply company. Basically, we make all of our own products. What's that? You know, amazing. So this bit might be a little bit boring, watching me run through accounts and things, but beer o'clock. I haven't got any beers, mate. I literally have not got any beers. I'm fuming. I could definitely do with them. I'm based in the UK, buddy. I've got a coffee, got a McDonald's coffee right now. I was generally going to pick some up earlier on, but I decided not to. But I'll probably grab some beers for tomorrow's stream, I reckon. I know. Have you got beers, buddy? All right, you're making me jealous now. I'll MH, yeah, I can see your chats, buddy. Hello. Can you not hear me? Yeah, we're based in the UK, buddy. United Kingdom.